Hello, and this is the video study guide for run-on sentences and conjunctions for our test on Tuesday, October 27th, 2015. We defined a run-on sentence as when two or more complete sentences are joined without a conjunction or punctuation. So these are sentences that have predicates and subjects. The problem is they have too many of them, and they're all kind of jam-packed together. And what happens is you have really two complete ideas that are put together, but there's no division between them. And there's an easy way to fix them, and that's what we're going to take a look at over the course of this video, just like we've done in class on a couple of occasions. One way to fix them is by using conjunctions. And these are words that are used to connect sentences. We saw a video on this, the Fanboys video, which went over 7 different examples of conjunctions. There are more than that, but those are the ones we probably use most commonly. So, for example, if I have the sentence, the musician played 2 of Beethoven's most famous sonatas on the piano. They sounded incredible. Now, that's 2 complete ideas, which is fine, except for the fact that there's nothing that divides these 2 ideas. So what we have here is a run-on sentence. So something has to be done to fix them. One easy way to fix it is to use a conjunction. And if I change the sentence to say the musician played 2 of Beethoven's most famous sonatas on the piano, and they sounded incredible, I've added a conjunction and now I have fixed my run-on sentence by adding this conjunction. I've joined these 2 ideas together, and now my sentence is correct. I could also do this in a very simple way by just ending the first thought with a period and turn this into 2 different sentences. So the musician played 2 of Beethoven's most famous sonatas on the piano, period, and of course capitalize the T in they sounded incredible. I've now taken that run-on sentence and I fixed it in a different way. I can't go outside to play, I have piano lessons. Again, 2 complete ideas, but they're put together into a run-on sentence, so we need to fix this. Once again, a way to do that is to add a conjunction. I can't go outside to play because I have piano lessons. Because in this case is a conjunction that says that a reason is following, and is explaining in this case why the person can't go out to play. There's a fancier way of doing this also. You could say, I can't go outside to play for I have piano lessons, which is just a more formal way of saying because. And of course, I can also just divide this into 2 sentences by saying, I can't go outside to play, period, I have piano lessons. My favorite piano player is Thelonious Monk. Duke Ellington is great as well. Again, 2 complete ideas. We have 2 opinions on 2 musicians. However, we also have a run-on sentence. So somehow this needs to be fixed. The simple way to fix it again would be to divide this up into 2 different thoughts. Officially, my favorite piano player is Thelonious Monk, period. Duke Ellington is great as well. I could also change this to my favorite piano player is Thelonious Monk, but Duke Ellington is great as well by using the conjunction but, which means this is true, but this is true also. I can also say my favorite piano player is Thelonious Monk, yet Duke Ellington is great as well. Yet is another conjunction that can be used in place of but in certain situations. And in this case, it does take these 2 complete ideas and separate them enough that now this run-on sentence is a complete sentence. If I change the wording a bit and make this, I can't decide if Thelonious Monk or Duke Ellington is my favorite piano player, so I listen to them both. Now this is a much longer sentence than any of the run-ons we've seen. However, this one is correct. And the reason why is because I've used 2 conjunctions in this sentence. I used or and then so, and that helps me connect these different ideas. And there's actually 3 different ideas in this sentence, but because of the use of conjunctions, it's actually correct. So I can't decide if Thelonious Monk or Duke Ellington is my favorite piano player. You're making a decision between the 2 of them, or at least in this case they're saying they can't make a decision. And then the end of the sentence, so I'll listen to them both, which is kind of like saying, as a result, I'll listen to them both. I could also say, neither Thelonious Monk nor Duke Ellington are my favorite piano players. Norah Jones is the best. And here again, I have 3 different ideas, and I've divided this into a couple of different ways to make this correct. So I have neither Thelonious Monk nor in this case is a conjunction very similar to or, except we're talking about negatives. nor Duke Ellington are my favorite piano players, period. Norah Jones is the best. So whether your favorite piano player is Norah Jones, or Thelonious Monk, or Duke Ellington, doesn't change the fact that your test is Tuesday, October 27th, 2015.